It's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC. This vehicle for sale comes in a white exterior with a tan interior. Some nice wood grain trim accent throughout the vehicle. Blind spot assist. Let's come around to the back, and you can see our GLC 300, Mercedes-Benz, and 4MATIC badging. Power opening and closing trunk. Push button to close. Take a look at the rear seats here next. Another look at that accent trim. Rear seats. And quick look up at the front of the vehicle. Now we'll take a look at the driver's side. So we do have heated seats for both driver and passenger, and memory seats on the driver's side. You can see the power seat controls here, power door controls, driver's seat with lumbar support, steering wheel. Next we'll go ahead and hop inside the vehicle. And mileage, you can see, is currently at 2,756. And we have a push button ignition. Here we have our Mercedes-Benz touchscreen display, radio, navigation, and backup camera. Below that is our climate control, cup holders, command module, also another way to adjust anything on the menu and select different menu screens. Center console storage, and Mercedes-Benz shifter. Now, if you're interested in seeing any photos or getting additional information about this 2022 GLC 300 or any of the other vehicles on our showroom floor and lot, just see our website, feldmanimports.com.